The Rule of Law Development Foundation, RODLDF, a non-governmental organization, NGO, has urged President Muhammadu Buhari to reshuffle his cabinet for improved performance. Mr. Joseph Dadu, San, the coordinator of the foundation, made the call while briefing newsmen on the state of the nation on Thursday in Abuja. The president, though faced by health issues in the initial part of his tenure in office, he has nonetheless placed the fight against corruption on the front burner. The narrow question on the lips of Nigerians is why has there been no investigation or prosecution of any serving ministers, or other officials for fraud in 2 years of this government, he said. Dadu said it appeared that persons were not being treated equally under the extant law. According to him, government should endeavor to revamp the fight against corruption. In any situation, a good manager should know when to re-energize his team. If this government wants to make any further progress in governance, then it must weed out the dead wood in its midst and set up a truly virile and positive cabinet, he said. On the election of new national officers for the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Dadu said it was good that the party had surmounted its internal crisis. He said a credible opposition was a hallmark of democracy, adding that the development would put the administration on its toes to serve the people better. Read, mining added N35 BN to federal account in 2017, Minister. Speaking on the recent dismissal of criminal charges against Justice Hyladzira Nganjiwa, the foundation said the decision only showed that the National Judicial Council, NJC, must be allowed to discipline alleged erring judicial officers. The Court of Appeal, Lagos had on December 11, struck out the criminal charges filed by the EFCC against the serving judge of the Federal High Court. The EFCC had secured a judgment on the $260,000 and N8.65 million gratifications filed against the judge before the judgment was upturned. Dadu said the executive arm of the government must respect the principle of separation of powers to reduce the suspicion between it and the judiciary. The foundation is an interventionist civil society organization, CSO, with focus on the rule of law issues that arise in the country. It draws attention to breaches of the rule of law and other constitutional infraction that occur or are commonplace in the country, Africa and beyond.